It's another day. Um, Again, it's been a long time actually. I never take another video, but I just take a rest. And so today is karaoke night, and I'm going to work now. And this is gonna be busy. It's a season right now, so it's really busy. There's a lot of all-inclusive again. I think we extend our team night, and I think we have like, let me check our schedule, because I see a new schedule now for our team, because Monday is supposed to be a Caribbean night, and I think they will change to Sunday. Excuse me. We have all team like carnivore night, buffet. There's gonna be Friday, and then Saturday is Caribbean night, and then Sunday is gonna be Italian night. There's a new team, and then Monday it used to be Caribbean. Now it's new. It's gonna be Mexican night. There's a new team. The Wednesday is still the same. There's gonna be a seafoods night, and then Tuesday still the same. The farm to table, and then Thursday the same, magic show. And then that's all about. Okay, by the way, so I'm going to work now. It's karaoke night. There's gonna be a busy night. All right, I see you soon at the work. Going to work now. So let's see. Oh, pasok na? Sige. Right.
Okay, step number one, step number two, step number three, step number one, step number two, step number three, step number one, step number two, step number three, step number one, number two. Yes. Okay, DJ music, please.